I am a Catholic.
All through and through.
And I don't know when it happened, but I just stopped going to church, stopped going to anything. And so, you can ask me things, and I remember a lot of facts at Jesus said this, fine. So I've done lots and lots of church services at Easter time.
Okay.
This year, the
Right.
things that I saw
So
at
you're
church
like-
services at Easter
You're
time,
like, "Angeke."
I couldn't understand have I veered far or have you guys veered far?
Right. They left you.
So there was a thing where
Updated Christianity.
Right.
they went all up and everyone was in the Ibizwang altar boy uniform.
Yes.
And then there was a little Barbie of Jesus
Right.
on a cross, but little.
Little.
So they all got there and they bowed to the Barbie of Jesus and then kissed it.
Mhm.
And then the guys behind would wipe where they kissed.
Right.
Then the next guy would come and kiss
Same
it.
spot.
No, this time maybe on like the chest of Jesus. And then they wiped it. Then the next one would come and kiss the other chest of Jesus. And I just thought, what are we, okay, like,
Doing here.
what's happening?
Ah.
What is happening? I found that to be very, very interesting. And it actually called me back to church. I want to go back to church. Because if weird things are happening, I want to be one of the people who go, okay, guys, hang on.
This is not it.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So Ubaba Lomoloi did hit a nerve. You guys following that very video which I posted at the beginning, of course, talking about what is currently happening in this picture. You see people in church bowing down to the statue of Jesus Christ and of course kissing the mouth and the chest. That is basically what Upabalo was talking about. You guys, she says that, I was there during Easter time and I could not believe my eyes as people were bowing down to the statue of Jesus Christ and of course kneeling and kissing that. She says that she has never seen that kind of a ritual being performed. It was the first time her seeing it, and people were quick to state that, but you say that you grew up Catholic yet you did not know this. This is what we basically do in honor of Jesus Christ during Easter, and they call it a veneration of Christ. That's what I found online as I did my research. This practice which they're doing is called a veneration of Christ, where they honor Jesus Christ during the Easter holiday, specifically Easter, like Good Friday. They do this ritual each and every year, and they appease their God, the Jesus Christ, you guys. And I saw a lot of Christians coming for this ritual, saying for this thing, this practice, I don't know if I should call it a ritual or not. They're basically coming for it, saying that it is so ungodly to worship a statue. It shows that they have created their mini idols, which is something that God did not want. God says, yes, do bow down to me, but do not create any sort of idols. Now, moving swiftly right along what Babi Moloi said, people were saying, Babi, you claim that to be Catholic, but yet you do not know that that was the veneration of Christ, you guys. So I quickly went on to Google to check what is a veneration of Christ. So I'm just going to go ahead and read what I found online. Veneration of the cross or Jesus is a central moment on Good Friday when the faithful approach the crucifix in reverence, kneeling, kissing, or touching it, not to worship the wood, but to honor the love and sacrifice of Christ who died upon it. It is a personal and communal act of gratitude, reflection, and deep sorrow turned into hope. Catholic embraces tradition by kissing statue of Jesus during Easter holidays. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please, of course, do engage them with me in the comment section, and do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the God Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.